Okay, the figure is given to us. We have to first tell lines whose point of intersection is P. Okay, Reva Khillare, first one.
Yes, sir. The first answer is I and Q.
I and Q. Line, it should be line. Line whose point of intersection is P. See, first of all, see the figure. This is the point of intersection. Okay. P is the point of intersection here. तो कौन से लाइंस के लिए है P? See this straight line UQ. Okay. UQ is the line for which the point of intersection is P. और दूसरी line है PS. See the figure. I will mark it with some different color, then it will be more clear to you. Now see this line. See here, this is the intersection point, and for this line. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the answer for this? It will be line UQ and line PS. Okay. These are the two lines for which the point of intersection is P. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can
Next.
I mute myself?
Yes. Next one. Yes, Manit.
Yes, sir. B. Line whose point of intersecting is T.
Now see T is here, huh? Pay attention. This is T.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So for which lines?
Sir, Q and M.
Line Q and M. Okay. See QM not. We can say that this is line M only. Okay. Line M.
Sir, line M and line P.
And for previous also, see, we can say that it was line Q and line L. I have not seen this. Okay. So for previous one, the answer was line Q and line L. And for this one, line M and which is the other line?
P, sir.
P.
Yes, sir.
See, this is line R is the other one, not P. This is the point of intersection. This line is passing through this point T, and line M is also passing through this point T.
Sir, line P is also passing with the same line.
See, this is line P. यानी ये वाला है line P. ये कहीं point T से पास हो रहा है क्या? It is not passing through point T. Point T. Okay, point. See here it is given point in the question. Point T से पास होना चाहिए. So line M and line R are the two
R.
lines which are passing through this point. Okay, next one. Next one. Riddhi Siddhi. Bolo.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Question number C part C. All pairs of parallel lines.
Hmm.
Yes.
Which are parallel lines then? We have seen parallel lines.
Yes, sir.
Which are parallel lines?
Yes. Sir, first parallel lines are V, P, V, S, and L to Q, I, T, M line.
See, for that the name is given in short form only. Line L, line M. We can say line L, line M. Huh.
Yes. Line L is parallel to line M. Line M is parallel to line N. And line Q is parallel to R.
Q is parallel to R.
No, it's not parallel. It's parallel.
So only three lines are there which are parallel.
Parallel.
Line L, comma, line M, and line
comma N. They are parallel to each other.
Okay.
3 lines.
Mute yourself. Next one.
Yes, sir.
Bolo. All pairs of intersecting lines.
Sir, intersecting lines are line Q and line R.
Intersecting lines are line Q and line R. Okay. Again, see, there are few more intersecting lines.
R,
Line P and L, line P
Q.
and M, line P and N. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Line P and Q, line P and R. So there are
Yeah.
many intersecting lines. We'll write the answer here for this D1. I'm writing it here. First of all, line
Q
Q is intersecting with what?
it is intersecting with R, Q, and P.
R, Q, and P. See, this is the name given to these lines. This horizontal line. This is line L. This is line M.
M and N.
And this is
Line
line N.
L, M, and N.
Line P and line L are the intersecting
Line
lines.
L
उसके बाद line
and
P and line M.
L.
M.
M.
उसके बाद
M.
line P and
Line
line N.
N. N.
And उसके बाद line
P and L. P
and
and L.
P and L हो गया ना पहले. Line P and line
P and R सर P and R भी होंगे ना क्योंकि वो R से भी थोड़ा थोड़ा इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है R वाली लाइन से.
yes, line P and line R, correct. So these all are the intersecting lines here.
Sir, can I click screenshot?
Yes. Manit, everything is correct. Nothing is wrong there. Small letters we denote for line. Okay. अगर ये इतने सारे लेटर्स यूज करने से अच्छा हम लोग एक लेटर से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं किसी भी लाइन को. सो दैट्स व्हाई द स्मॉल लेटर्स आर यूज्ड. Okay, next one. Who will tell me the next one? Yes, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. All pairs of intersecting line. No. Lines whose point are intersecting to L.
Intersecting to L, not it's I guess.
Yes, sir. I.
Because point is I, L is a line. So here they have sent point. Okay, so it
Yes.
is I definitely.
Yes, sir. Sir, point I. Sir, it's line M.
Line M, correct. And
line P.
Line P. Okay. See, only these two lines. I will draw it in the figure. Only this line and this line are intersecting at point I. Okay. So this line is line P and this line is line M. So line P and line M.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Mute yourself, Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Last one, F1. You will give me the answer.
Line whose point of intersection is S. Sir, line R.
See, first of all, we'll mark S. See, this is our S point.
Yes, sir.
So this line,
P, line P,
no, it's not line P, it's line L.
sorry, line L and line R.
Okay, line L and line R, correct. So these are the two lines which are intersecting at point S. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, let's move forward to the next question then. Okay, write the following. First one is what? Lines whose point of intersection is P. तो उसके लिए हमको figure भी given है. Okay, we are given with the figure also. I think so. This is same question. Question number 4. We have completed it. Okay. Fifth question. Observe the figure and name the following lines. First is concurrent lines. Now from this figure, you have to tell me which are the concurrent lines. Yes, Ajay Kumar God. Yes, who is this Ajay?
So it's me, Bhumi.
So why you have not named your ID with your name?
Sorry, sir.
Now tell me the concurrent lines. First of all, tell me the definition of concurrent lines. We have seen it in our first class. Can you tell me?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Vraj, bolo.
When four or more lines intersect each other,
Three or more than three, not four. It should be three. It was given in the
Yes, sir.
definition.
when three or more lines intersect each other is known as concurrent lines.
Intersect each other at a single point are known as concurrent lines. Intersect कहाँ होते हैं वो भी बताना पड़ेगा ना?
At a point.
Now tell me from this figure. Now you can see this point. This point is what? This point is O. How many lines are
Yes, sir.
intersecting at this point? 3 or more than 3. See, suppose we will give numbering 1, 2, 3. 4 lines are intersecting at this point.
IACG.
IACG not. I have given the numbers. Line will be like this. IJ is the line. AB is the line. CD is the line. GH is the line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the answer then? Line
IJ, AB, CD, and
IJ,
GH.
line AB, line CD, and line
GH.
GH. Okay. Line GH. So these are the 4 lines that are concurrent because they are passing through a single point O. Okay. Next one, Trisha.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Of the figure shown and name the following lines. B. Intersecting lines. So, intersecting lines here are A, B, H, G,
F,
H, G.
HG. Okay. Now pay attention here, Trisha.
Yes, sir.
Whenever we want to mark the intersecting lines, first mark the intersection points. Okay. अभी ये point पे कौन से 2 lines intersect हो रहे हैं? Tell me the names.
F, E, H, G, A and B.
Line F FE and line AB. Only two lines are intersecting at that point.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी ये वाले पॉइंट पे कितने लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट हो रहे हो? टेल मी दैट.
On this point, sir.
See on this point.
Okay. On this point, line IJ, AB, CD, and HG. These
You
four
can
lines are
you can put a comma here. Okay. Line IJ, line AB.
AB,
After that line CD. After that line GH. These all are the intersecting lines. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Please check it once again. Is there any line remaining? See, for this point, we have two lines. Yes, it is compulsory to write line.
Yes, sir. We are done with all the lines.
Okay, mute yourself.
Yes.
Huh. Vraj, it is compulsory. Whatever I'm writing on the screen as it is, you will write it in your CW and in exam also. Okay, next one. Next one. Diya Jain. Diya Jain.
Yes.
Yes. Tell me the answer.
Perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines are the angle between two lines is 90 degree, then the lines are said to be perpendicular lines. No?
First of all, we will mark the intersection points. These are the intersection points. और यहाँ पे ये दोनों लाइन 90 डिग्री का एंगल बना रही है. ये यहाँ पे ये दोनों लाइन 90 डिग्री. Only two lines are perpendicular. Other lines are not perpendicular because they are not making an angle of 90 degree.
Yes. Oh,
So what we can say, perpendicular line, line AB.
line A and B and line mm, C and D.
FE, first FE, we will take this intersection point first. Okay. Line
Yes.
AB and line
Okay.
FE are perpendicular. This is the symbol of perpendicular. Huh? You will write like this
Yes.
only. Line AB is perpendicular to line FE. And in the next step, line AB is perpendicular to line HG.
HG.
That's it.
Yes. That's the point. Yes, sir.
Okay. Arush Bangad. Next.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Parallel lines. So, sir, in parallel lines, there will be FE and HG. Line FE and HG.
Line FE and line HG. Correct.
And line HG.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Line.
FE.
See, this is the symbol of parallel. This is the symbol of parallel. Line FE is parallel to line HG.
HG.
Okay, only two lines are parallel in this figure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Okay. Soham Rathod, next one.
Yes, sir. Concolor line points.
Concolor not, it is
uh,
collinear lines.
Yes, sir.
Collinear points.
Collinear points always lie on the same line.
Okay.
So, sir, in this collinear, first you have to mark.
You have to draw the figure also, Manyata. Whatever is there on the screen, everything you have to do.
So, sir, in these collinear lines are H, O, and G.
Okay,
Means,
collinear points. Collinear points. These are collinear points.
yes.
Okay.
And
First collinear point group we will write points H, comma
H,
O and
comma
G.
O, comma G.
Okay, next collinear point we will write
And F, comma A and E.
F, comma A and E. No, that is wrong. ए है ही नहीं ये लाइन पे ए कहाँ पे है कोलिनियर यानी एक लाइन पे होने चाहिए सारे पॉइंट्स
I, O, and J.
आई ओ एन जे करेक्ट आई ओ एंड जे नेक्स्ट
D, O, and C.
वेट अ मिनट व्हाट यू टोल्ड डी ओ एंड सी ओके
D,
डी ओ एंड सी करेक्ट नेक्स्ट
and sir, that much only.
आई ओ जे इज ओवर ए ओ बी इज रिमेनिंग ए ओ एंड बी ओके उसके बाद और कुछ है क्या बाकी चेक कीजिए डी ओ सी इज ओवर
नहीं sir, over.
IOJ is over.
No sir.
HOG is remaining. HOG. We have taken it at the start only. Okay, this much are the points. This much are the collinear points. Okay,
Yes, sir.
mute yourself. Yes, Reva. Next one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the screen is not visible.
Hmm.
Sir,
Yes,
screen is not visible.
your network is weak then. Okay, Manit, you try the next one. Manit. Manit, can you hear me? Manit. Okay, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Question number 6 in the given figure name A all planes. Sir, it should be A, B, C, D first plane. No?
Okay, plane A, B, C, D.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Next, plane A, E, H, D. Sir, it is a plane.
Yes, AEHD. It is also a plane. Yes. It's a vertical
sir.
plane, na? Plane
Yes, sir.
AEHD. Correct. Next.
Plane A, E, B, F. Plane A, E, F, B.
Plane AEFB. Correct. Next.
Plane B, F, C, G.
Plane BFCG. Okay. BFCG.
And
BFCG. Okay. Next.
plane C, G, H, D.
CGHD. Okay.
And
CGHD.
the last plane is H, G, F, E.
HGFE. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Plane HGFE. So there will be 6 planes because it is a cubical shape. So cube has 6 sides. उस पे से ही आपको
Yes, sir.
समझ में आना चाहिए. Okay,
हाँ,
now
sir.
the names can be different. कोई यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेगा प्लेन का नाम HGFE, कोई यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर सकता है GFEH. So names can be different, but in all there will be 6 planes. Always go
Yes, sir.
clockwise or
Sir, can I mute
anti-clockwise.
myself?
Trisha Mahor. Always go clockwise or anti-clockwise while giving the names. That is the logic. Okay, Vraj,
Yes,
bolo.
sir.
Vraj. Okay, Devesh Soni.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Your voice is too
my
low.
voice coming?
Your voice is too low.
Sir, now is it coming?
Yes.
In the given figure, name all points. B.
Mhm.
All points are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H.
Mhm. So how many points are there? First tell me. Total points.
Sir, 8 points are there.
Correct. There are 8 points and we will write the name of this point. Point
A,
A, comma, point B, comma,
B,
point C, comma, point D, comma, point E, comma, point F, comma, point G, and point H. So these are the 8 points. Okay.
yes, sir.
Next one. Yes,
Can I
Aditya
mute?
Khatti. Yes. Aditya Khatti.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Plane parallel to AEHD. AEHD. Plane parallel to AEHD is CBGF.
AEHD means this plane, huh? This plane. First we will mark that plane. Then it will be more clear for us. अभी इसको पैरेलल देखो, सामने वाला प्लेन होगा, इसके एग्जैक्ट सामने वाला प्लेन, तो ये है सामने वाला प्लेन
CBGF.
GF.
F.
Okay, so the plane parallel to AEHD is plane
CBGF.
CBFG. It will be CBFG.
Sorry. FG.
Okay. Yes,
Okay,
Shlok,
sir.
tell me the answer for next one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I mute?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Next, if the given figure name line of intersection of the plane EFGH and CDH, line of intersecting of the plane EFGH and CDH. Sir, I don't understand this question.
First, mark these planes EFGH. See, where is EFGH? See, this is EFGH.
Downside.
This bottom plane.
EFGH.
Okay, this is the bottom plane.
Yes.
हाँ, और दूसरा प्लेन है CDHG, तो उसको भी मार्क करेंगे हम लोग, ये पीछे वाला
CDHG. CDHG है.
हाँ, तो मुझे बोलो अभी ये दोनों प्लेन में एक लाइन कॉमन है, कौन सी लाइन कॉमन है वो बताओ मुझे आप.
H और G वाली.
Yes, that is the answer then.
मैं क्वेश्चन ही समझ में नहीं आया था पहले।
इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन बताना है, ये दोनों प्लेन में कौन सी लाइन कॉमन है वो बताना है। सो लाइन एच जी।
लाइन है जी, लाइन है जी। सर
ओके,
कैन आई म्यूट माई सेल्फ?
यस यस, this line is common, you can see in the figure, and this line is line HG. Okay, next one. Okay, next question is very easy. Open and closed figures identify करना है. Who will do this? Yes, next one. Yes, Reva. Is the screen visible
Yes,
now?
sir.
Is the screen
Yes,
visible?
now.
हाँ, बोलो.
Question number 7. Identify the following as closed and open figure. The first one is open figure.
What is the reason?
Sir, because it is
Because its initial and end points are different. So that's why it is a open figure. Next, B1. Tell me about B1.
the can I tell?
Yes, you only. I am asking to you only.
Sir, closed figure.
What is the reason?
Sir, because it is uh, ini-
Initial and end points are same. That's why it's a closed figure. Next, this is
sir,
open.
open figure.
You should know the reason always. Here,
Closed figure.
this,
Open figure.
this,
Closed figure.
this one.
Open figure.
Okay. And last one.
Closed figure.
See, whenever the initial and end points are different, then it is an open figure. Whenever the initial and end points are same, then it is a closed figure. This is how we keep it in mind.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I mute myself?
Yes. Okay, now. See, if the session gets over, you will again rejoin me. We will complete up this exercise today only. If the session gets over, you will again rejoin to me with the same link, which is sent on your WhatsApp. Okay. So here what they have said, compare the following, compare the line segments in the given figure using your divider. Do you have the geometric box with you? Do you have the geometric box with you? Please reply me. Do you have the geometric box with you? Okay. तो आपको AF कहाँ पे है in the figure? Where is AF? This is AF. You will measure this distance in your rounder. तो कैसे मेजर करना है? राउंडर का एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे रखना है और जो पेंसिल वाला जो पॉइंट है वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. इन दिस वे यू विल मेजर इट. You will measure this distance using a rounder. Then what you will do, you will draw a straight line. Then you will put that rounder here like this. Okay, mark these points. This is AF. Then again you will draw one more parallel line to it. Okay, again you will draw one more parallel line to it. Then you will take the rounder and in the figure you will measure this distance AE. And you will mark that AE distance here on this line. Now from these two lines, what we can conclude that AE is greater and AF is smaller. Okay. With the help of rounder only, you will do that. Is it clear to everybody? Again, you will join me back. So in the first one, this line AE is greater, so this symbol will come here. Okay. Next one. Second one. Compare the line segments in the given figure using a divider. So in that second one, fill in the blanks. BO and EO. See the figure BO and EO. See, this is BO. You will mark it in your rounder. You will draw a line. There you will mark that BO segment. Okay. After that, you will draw one more line. You will measure the distance EO from E to O. You will measure the distance from E to O and it will come equal. Okay. EO distance and BO distance will come equal. So here the sign will come equal to sign. Okay. Next one. Okay. ED and BD. So see the figure. Where is ED? See, this is ED. Gayatri, pay attention here on the class. What is going currently? Talk about that. That day I took the doubts. Na? That day, why didn't you ask me that chapter number 6 you are having the doubt? ED. Afterwards, we will talk about it. Gayatri, pay attention here. ED and next segment is BD. This is BD. So first you will draw one line. You will mark here ED. Okay. Then you will draw one more line and you will mark BD. So BD will come bigger definitely. Okay. So BD is more. So that's why this is greater. Okay. Next one. FO and AE. So this is FO. You will take this distance in your rounder FO. You will draw one line with the help of scale and you will mark this FO distance here. Okay. And after that, you will take AE distance. This AE distance in the rounder, you will draw one line here and you will mark that AE distance. So AE will definitely come bigger than FO. Okay. AE and BD. Now see the figure AE and BD. You will follow the same process. AE and BD are equal. So here equal to sign will come. Okay, FG and GH. FG, this is FG, and GH is this. So you'll compare both the segments. So which one is greater? GH is greater. Okay. Now next question is also there. See in your textbook. Read it from your textbook. What they have said in the next question. See in your textbook. Next question. It's on page number 98. Measure the length of each of the following line segments. So segment AB is given to us. So you will measure it with the help of rounder, or you can use the divider also, no issue. A, B. You will measure it. Suppose if you are using divider, okay, then take this distance and this is your scale. Put it at 0, one point at 0 of the scale and other point somewhere. You will get the distance on the scale. Okay. Similarly, you will measure the segment CD, segment PQ, segment EF. Okay, I will show you how to measure it. Just a second. Okay, can you see the screen now? Can you see the screen? Okay. Now see, this is my scale. I have taken the scale. Now the segment is already given to you in your textbook. Okay. Suppose we will take one segment first. See, this is the segment. Okay. Now what I will do, I will put the scale here and measure it. So how much it is coming now in this case? How much it is coming? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, Gaurav. How much is this distance of this segment?
Sir, it's 5.4.
It's 5.5 beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this way, you will measure the segments in your textbook which are given to you. Segment AB, segment CD, segment PQ and segment EF. उसके बाद next जो है question number 10. We will discuss about that. Now what they have said, draw a line of the following measures. So first one is what? 3.5 centimeter का line बनाना है आपको. Okay. So first what you will do? You will draw one line. Okay. You will draw one straight line here. Suppose this is your straight line. Okay. अभी आप क्या करोगे? ये line पे कोई भी एक point mark कर दोगे. Okay. You will mark any one point, or you can take this point as the start point. And then what you will do, in a rounder, you will take a distance. See, this is your rounder now. How much distance you have to take in the rounder? 3.5. Okay. I have taken this distance of 3.5. Now what I will do, I will take this rounder and put it here. Now see, this is the point. I got this point. So this much segment from this point to this point, the distance is what? See, I will mark it. What happened? What happened? Gaurav? What happened to laugh? Huh, Gaurav? Okay, you will mark this segment. You will mark these 2 points. See, I will show it. This point and this point. Okay. This segment is what? It is 3.5. Okay, is it clear to you? Similarly, you will draw 2.3 inch, 5.8 centimeter and 8.6 inch. That is homework to you. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, then we will stop here. Tomorrow we will continue the next part of this chapter, that is angles. Tomorrow we will take the theoretical part of angles, and day after tomorrow we will do the exercise. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. See why the rounder was not moving. It was because I was using that pen tablet, na? So that's why it was rotating. With the help of mouse, it moves smoothly. Okay. Bye to everyone. Have a nice day.